Good morning students. Today we see the decimal representation of rational numbers. Means we have to show the rational number in the decimal form. If we divide the numerator by its denominator, then we get the decimal representation of rational number. For example, 7 by 4. If we divide the 4 by 7, if we divide 7 by 4, then we get the answer 1.75. This is the decimal representation of this rational number. How it's come from? By this division. When we divide 4 by 7, 4 ones are 4. Then we get 3.0. 4 sevens are 28. Again we get remainder 2. Then we take 0, 4 5s are 20. If we get the remainder 0, means here is the end of division and this is the decimal form of rational number. So it is called as decimal representation of this rational number. Next, we have the two types of decimal representation of rational number. One is the terminating decimal form. And another one is non-terminating decimal form. In this terminating and non-terminating, again we have in the non-terminating form, we get two types, that is recurring means repeating, so its another name is repeating also. And another one is non-recurring or non-repeating. So first we see the terminating decimal. What is meant by terminating decimal? We get some examples. First we take 11 by 2. Another one example is 14 by 5. Third one example is 17 by 5. If we get 3 examples, in this 11 by 2, we get 5.5. How it is? This is the decimal representation of this rational number. If we divide 11 by 2, so 2 5s are 10. Remainder we get 1 and another we take decimal point 0. 2 5s are 10. If we divide this by 2, then we get the remainder is 0. This is the remainder and here is the division close, means stop. That is called as terminating decimal. It's the terminating decimal form. Terminating means where is the division stop. That is called as terminating. Now this example is 14 by 5. If we divide 14 by 5, then we get 5 2s are 10. Again we take decimal point, 5 8s are 40. Again we get remainder 0. So means here division is stop. So this is the terminating decimal form. Its answer is 2.8. This is the decimal representation of 14 by 5. Another example we take 17 by 5. 5 3s are 50. 0, 5 4s are 20. Again we get remainder is 0. Means here the division end. That number is called as terminating decimal form. Its answer is 3.5. Sorry, 3.4. This number is called as terminating decimal form. Now we see the non-terminating decimal form. If we divide, we take some example 10 by 3. If we divide this numerator to the denominator, then 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 1 point. Again we get 10. 3 3s are 9. Again we have the remainder 1. Again we take 0. Again 3 3s are 9. Again we get the remainder 1. Means this division will not stop. It is going on up to dash dash dash. That means this is the non-terminating decimal. In this, the two types, recurring or repeating. If the number will repeat again and again after decimal point, then it is the form of recurring or repeating decimal form. And what is meant by non-recurring and non-repeating? Only we will see the rational number in the recurring and repeating form. Means it is called as, this number is called as non-terminating recurring rational number in the decimal form. And what is meant by non-recurring or non-repeating? That means non-recurring means it is one number is not repeat again and again. So we see this type in the irrational numbers. And irrational numbers not seen, we see in the next exercise. This non-recurring decimal form we have to show in the root of prime numbers, like that root 2, root 6, root 7. Means its answer will be the 1 point some, not same sequence of that numbers going on. So it is the non-recurring or non-repeating. So we see in the next exercise. So this number is called as non-terminating and recurring decimal form of rational number. Now see some examples. 11 by 2, 14 by 5, 17 by 5. Its answer is 5.5. Means this division end is 0. So in this division we get the remainder is 0. That means this division is the terminating division. So that number is also called as terminating decimal number. (14 by 5). Its answer is 2.8. Again, this is the terminating decimal number. 17 by 5 means in this example also we get the remainder is 0. Means this division is the stop. 3.4 is also terminating decimal number. Now see these some examples. When we divide numerator by the denominator 7 by 6, then we get the answer 1.16666. Means here is the one digit is repeated again and again. This number is called as non-terminating and recurring decimal number. Why recurring? Because one digit is repeat again and again. So we can show the 1.16. Here only one digit is repeated. So on the 6 we make a dot. It is called as bar. Minus 5 by 3 is equal to minus 1.666. This division when we make, then we get the answer 1.666 and so on. Means this division not stop, not terminate. So again this is called as non-terminating and recurring decimal number or rational number. It is also denoted as 1.6 bar. Next example is 23 by 99. Now he observes this example 0.2323 and so on. Means here we get the two digits repeated again and again. So here we denote like that 0.23 bar. On the 2 and 3 also, because this group is repeated again and again. In the fourth example 22 by 7, 3.142857. Again means these whole digits repeat again and again and again and again. That number is called as non-terminating and recurring rational number. So how we denote? 3.14. How many digits Repeat again. 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7 on the bar of these digits, because this whole group are repeated again and again. Now we see the practice set 1.3. Our question is, show the decimal representation of rational number. First example is 9 by 37. So here is the numerator 9 and denominator 37. So we divide 9 by 37. Already I write here the table of 37. So in the 37's table there is no 9. So we take point and it is the smallest than divisor. So I take here point as 0. 37 and the 37. 37 to the 74. We get remainder 16. We already take point, so we can take here 0. Again 37 for the 108. 148. We get the remainder 12. So again we take 0. 37 3 is 111. We get 9. Means we have to repeat 9, the first dividend. Again we take 0 minus 74. Again we get 16. Means its division is going on. This is not non-terminating number. Our answer is 243, 243 and going on. So we denote 0.243 bar because this group of digits are repeated. Our answer is 0.243 bar. Next example is 18 by 42. So this division we also solve, but I make here easy the lowest form of this rational number. We have this lowest form of rational number by dividing 6. The same number of numerator and denominator. We get 3 by 7. And this division is very easy. 3 divided by 7. Again take point 0, 7 for the 28. We get remainder 2. Then again take 0, 7 to the 14. We get 6. Again we take 0, 7, 8 the 56. We get 4, 0, 7 5 the 35. We get 5. Again 0. 7 7 the 49. We get 1. Again 0. 7 1 the 7. We get 3. So it's our dividend. We get 3. Means here is also non-terminating decimal number. We can divide also, take 0 and again this division will be repeat again and again. So our answer is 0.428571 and dash. So it is represented as 0.428571 bar. This is our answer. Now we see third example, 9 by 14. 0.0. 14 5 is 70, 14 6 is 84. We get remainder 6. Again 0 in the 14th table, 14 for the 56. Remainder 4. We take here 0, then we get 14. 14 2 is 28. 12 0. Then 14. 120 is less than 112. We get 8. 0, then we have 14 5s are 70, get 10, again 40, 7s are 98, I write here, 100 minus 98, we get 2, 100 minus 98, we get 2, 14 ones are 14, again we repeat here, 6, 0, then 14 4s are 56, again we get 4, remainder 4, again repeat this 4 from this, means the division will be repeated, therefore our answer is 0.64285714 and so on. So it is the non-terminating and recurring decimal form of rational number. So we write down 642857. This group will be the group of digits will be the repeated again and again. This is our answer. Our next example is minus 103 and divided by 5. So first we find out this division. Five to the 10. Now we get 3, 0, then point, then we get remainder 0. That means our answer is 103 by 5 equal to 20.6. This is not repeating. This is the division of terminating exam. Now in that question, here is a minus sign. That means if multiplying by minus, then our answer is also minus 20.6. This is the decimal form of this rational number. Our next example is minus 11 upon 13. So divide first 11 by 13. It is the smaller than divisor. So we take point 0. 13 8s are 104. We get the remainder 6. Again 0. 13 4s are 52. Then we get remainder 8. Again take 0. Then 13 6s are 78. We get remainder 2. Again 0. 13 ones are 13. We get remainder 7. Again 0. Then 13 5s are 65. We get remainder 5. Again take 0. 13 3s are 39. We get remainder 11. So again take 0 and repeat our dividend. So again 8 minus 104. We get remainder 6. Again 0. Then we take again 4. Means repeat this number up to this 3 digit. So this division is not terminating. So our answer is 0.846153 bar. But in the example, we get minus 11 by 13. So our answer also is negative. Minus 11 by 13 is equal to minus 0.846153 and recurring. This is the decimal form of minus 11 by 13. Okay.